So checking out the news, it seems like Crypto.com has once again found itself in the spotlight for drama. Traders are not impressed. Let's talk about what's going on. You can see here, Cointelegraph has reported failed exit. Traders complain Crypto.com reverse profitable Luna transactions. And some sources even go as far to say that Crypto.com barred users from trading after a bunch of Luna traders bought the dip and bought a profitable trade. So I find this very, very uneasy. As someone who used to support Crypto.com, this is definitely not something I want to see. I'm not going to be using Crypto.com after that. It seems like the community is very, very hard set on this, and they have released a statement on this, which I will go through in a second, but you can see Watcher Guru tweeted this. I tweeted this yesterday that Crypto.com is reversing the Luna trades, and the Crypto Wolf responded, Crypto.com, you need to take responsibility for providing wrong prices to your customers. Personally, I would leave any exchange who did this. And I second that. I completely agree. So what happened is confirmed in the statement, so let's jump right into their statement that they released after Crypto.com halted the Luna trading. On the 12th of May 2020, between 12:40 and 1:40 UTC time, users who traded Luna were quoted an incorrect price. Now we're going to take a note of this timestamp before we continue. Our systems quickly detected the error and trading was halted. Trading remains halted until further notice. All impacted trades, whether they're buy or sell orders, will be reversed. And affected users will be credited $10 worth of Crypto.com for the inconvenience caused. Affected users are being informed by email as well. So what's interesting about this is that they're reversing profitable transactions from traders who made a decent amount of money, but they failed to talk on users who made unprofitable trades. And I can't confirm whether they're true or not, because this is just what other people have been, responding to these comments. But people have been responding to these comments saying, I bought for a loss. You're reversing other people's transactions, but you're not reversing mine. And I do agree with what the Crypto Wolf said, that they do need to take responsibility. By buying something on Crypto.com, you literally have to sign an agreement that you're buying at this price, and you're having an agreement with Crypto.com. So for them to reverse that is absolutely disgusting. And this is one of the reasons why I've been saying, you need to get your cryptocurrencies out of exchanges, because places like Coinbase, places like Crypto.com, they do not care about you whatsoever. And the second they go under, the second they go bust, if they do, they are going to keep all your crypto, so be very, very cautious. Now, what's interesting about this, before we do wrap up the news, I wanted to look at the price, because the time they quoted, on May the 12th, between 12 and 1 p.m., if we come back to this time, this was when Luna completely capitulated and was in the regions of, 0.01 slash, 0.00s. So they basically bought the exact bottom, and at some points, it's hard to see because this data's so flat, but at some points, like around about here, people did make big bank on their Luna trades if they bought a precise bottom. And I just find it very, very messed up that Crypto.com is taking the strong arm on this and reversing transactions. So that's really all I've got to say on this news. I think the news speaks for itself. I'm honestly very, very disappointed with Crypto.com. I used to use Crypto.com, I used to have a Crypto.com Visa card. It was only a couple of weeks ago that they messed me over with the Crypto.com Visa card. We had an agreement on a 6-month card with a certain amount of staking, and then they decided to pretty much reverse that, and a lot of people are still stuck staking while other people are unstaking and selling their Crypto.com. Crypto.com is landsliding. They're making terrible decision after terrible decision, and after this news, this is the last straw. I will no longer be supporting Crypto.com. I have one staking portfolio under the stake tab on Crypto.com, and it expires tomorrow. I'm going to unstake it, and I'm never going to use Crypto.com again. I'm very, very unhappy with this. It is very, very disheartening that they don't take responsibility, and they just kind of shift the blame over to their retail traders. So very disappointing once again with what's going on with Crypto.com. They're basically just digging themselves a deeper and a deeper hole, considering they wanted to compete with Binance. They're not doing a very good job of it. That's all I've got. Best of luck. Cowboy out. Peace.